Hello, I'm Chef Walter and welcome to News You Can Eat 24. The topic of today is bitter almonds, and as they are called, the Murderous almonds. If you're a fan of murder mysteries or television medical dramas, you may have noticed that medical practitioners check the victim's breath for the scent of bitter almonds when cyanide poisoning is suspected. Unlike sweet almonds, bitter almonds, which are not available in the American marketplace, contain a glucoside called amygdalin. In the presence of certain enzymes, amygdalin breaks down into 2-glucose named benzaldehyde and cyanide. And that is why bitter almonds are banned. But let's not make this too complicated. Bitter almonds' poisonous potential was well known to the ancient, who used the nuts both as a poison and dubious medicinal practice. The Food and Drug Administration, the actual FDA, has found the level of cyanide too toxic to allow bitter almonds into the country. Yet, in countries such as Italy, bitter almonds and bitter almond oils are used in several desserts, including the famed amaretti di Saronno, almond cordials, and marzipan confections. Bitter almonds find happiness when coated with thick sugar compound in what we call in Italy confetti, the lovely candy-like confection often used for celebratory events such as baptism and matrimony. Of course, bitter almonds may also be used in savory dishes with the necessary percentage and caution. And while no one has died from eating too many amaretti, experts encourage almond lovers to exercise caution when feasting on products that contain bitter almonds. And that is News You Can Eat for today. We'll chat with you next time. Ciao.